Habayakran bagi nong pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jingilang jangka kynhun myntri. Mentri rang ba ke jelau konrad kongkal sangma uloong ba ke sarkar jela kla ajing Mynjur bantau ke Meghalaya State Education Commission ke ban kentup saungut ki dikhot kata weu chairperson arngut ki advisor bat weu secretary. Bat kini ke commission kan ajing mut ke sarkar jela halor kimat ke biadai bat ki school bat ki college. Ya karukom peniat yaki ke jinglong jingman jangi jaka pulia karukom a ya ketulop karukom peniat ya barok ko ke school bat ke college karukom bo ke jingken jing dia bat bantau kilat klenti bat ban ai ya ke jing ajing mut ke bakongsan na ke bantau banwan ra ke jingkela ha ke puli putih ha ke jela tam ha ke bedai bat ke national education policy arhajar arpo ka commission kan pedru ikilat klenti ban penbet ya ke jing ha ke bedai ba ke jing siu tulop kinohikai ibayo ya ke jing rap nak sarkar bat kumjuk kino hikai sarkar kimat jeng kino hikai SSA ke jingdon jeng school ki bamla bantre kambha ki school ki beduna ha ke jingdon ki kena school ki school ki bamdon kena school bat ki wei konrad kongkal sangma ulong bah ke jingyo point ha ke PGI jeng niti ayok kala penbena bah ke bedai ba ke jingtai ki school ba ke jingdon ki jingdon kam bat ha ba kelum lang ha bro santlik index jeng ke PGI ke niti ayok ha ke pulih putih Lapan benda baka Meghalaya kelawan basan gum gejala ke belakang tiaw bat penbhai ke pulih putih bat kelawan baar hakat hanch dalam mingi.
So we have constituted the Meghalaya State Education Commission today. It will be a 4-member committee with one chairperson and 2 advisors and 1 secretary. And basically the mandate is basically to advise the government of Meghalaya on matters relating to schools and colleges in the terms of their systems that are run there, their institutional structures, their salary structures, the overall schools and college management functioning and accountability, and to produce a concrete solution and strategic recommendation for ushering in reforms in the education system for the perspective of NEP and 2020 and also the state education policy and fulfilling its various principles and articulations. This will also include management of aided schools, institutions, their performance concerning general functioning, activities, operation and accountability of the SMCs and the GBs, consolidation of the different categories of aided schools, colleges and systems for granting and upgrading aided status of colleges and schools, establishment of effective mechanism to ensure pay parity with regards to salaries of teachers under different aided categories with respect to government teachers, the way forward for issues pertaining to teachers under SSA, rationalization of schools, especially with regards to unviable schools, surplus schools, low enrollment schools, zero enrollment schools, single digit enrollment schools, and single teacher schools. Problems relating to availability of language teachers, especially in border areas.